Hello everybody, very good morning. I am here Neha with you again on day 4 of our flexibility session. So if you want to give some stretches to the body in the morning or in the evening anytime you want, pick up a mat and let's get started. Before we start, come back to center, our regular ritual to keep our mind and body in one line. Drop your hands down, close your eyes, have a gentle smile on your face, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Slowly open your eyes. Alright, so now we'll start with a little bit of a goddess posture for your hip joint as well as your thighs. Okay, so keep your both the legs apart from each other. Okay, so now you can turn your foot either completely out. As a beginner it would be slightly difficult, so keep it like slightly 45 degrees out. That's it. Okay. Keep your spine, your stomach and your hip joint in one straight line. Keep your both the hands on the waist. As you inhale, you're going to go down and you're going to focus on pushing your knee outside. So you're not going to push your knee forward, you try to push it outside. So we'll do this few times together. Take a deep breath in, down, feel the stretch, go down and come back to center. Try not to go down like too much because we just started doing it. So practice how much ever you can. 3, inhale. It's a mild warm up and come up. 4, down and up. The last one, inhale down, just try staying there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, slowly come back to center. Now get your both the legs together and now you're going to slowly come down. Come to the right side of the mat. So your one knee is going to be on the floor, right knee, and your left foot is going to be outside. Okay, you can try to either keep your toe up. If you do that, you might put a lot of pressure on the heel. So try dropping your toe and your heel down on the floor like this. Now, keep your left hand on the left thigh. You're going to lift your right hand all the way up. You're going to give a side stretch 5 times with the breath. Inhale and exhale side. Inhale and exhale, go down. Inhale, try to be in center, don't fall down. Exhale. 3, down. You can go down how much ever you can. 4, down, down, down. Open up your chest, keep your hand behind the ear. The last one, go down, look at the ceiling outside. Come back to center. Now drop your knee down, drop your palm down. If you find any kind of a knee pain here with the pressure of the body weight on your knee, so you can try to keep something below your knee, okay? Maybe a t-shirt or some very smooth cloth, or you get a knee pad, so you can keep any of these. So the next one, from the same posture, you're going to drop your both the hands down. You're going to lift your right hand out and you're going to try and touch your left ankle. So if you think the flexibility is less enough right now, you can just touch your ankle, knee, ankle, calf muscle. So you can keep going down based on your flexibility. So we're going to do this 5 times. Inhale up, exhale. Don't bend your knee. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Come back to center. Same thing with the left hand. So here it's very simple movement. Just open up your chest, look outside how much ever you can and drop it down. 2, open your chest, drop it down. 3, inhale, and exhale. 4, inhale and exhale. The last one, 5, inhale and exhale. Now from here, take your one leg inside, slowly shift it to the other side. Take your another leg out, come back to center. Now right hand on the right leg, lift your left hand all the way up, inhale, exhale down, nice stretch, come back to center. 2 and center. 3, center. 4, center. The last one, 5. Give a quick stay here, feel the stretch, come back to center and drop your hands down. You know the next one, the next move, so let us try and practice together. Your right leg is out, that means you are going to use your left hand to give a twist. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. The other side. 1, down. This must be very easy. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. And the last one, 5, down. From here, try to bend your knee, keep your hands in center, slowly try to keep your both the legs here, bend your knee if you think it is needed, and then slowly try to straighten up your knee and hold down. Hands on the waist, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly drop your hands down, bend your knee, come to the center of the mat where you sit in Vajrasana just to relax your thighs for a second. And slowly drop your hands forward. Now we're going to try and get into Parvatasana. Try to push your hip up. Drop your heels down. Hold for a second. Give the maximum stretch. So try not to round your spine. Open up your chest. Push your elbows, your shoulder towards the floor. 3, 2, 1. Now from here you're going to get your right leg in between both the palm. You're going to drop your left knee down. You're going to try to push your hip, which you can see it's rounded right now. Try to move your knee a little ahead. Open up your chest, hold. 3, maximum stretch. 2, 1, drop your both the hands down. This is an optional if you want to try, but I would suggest you give a try. If you can do it, well and great. If you cannot, then after some time, after a few days of practice. From here, keep your right hand completely on the ground. Try to have some space in your left side. Try to bend your knee and see if you can hold your ankle. As I've mentioned, this is optional. But this gives you a lot of stretch. I would suggest you to just give a try, not really push yourself to do it. And then release, come to Parvatasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Push yourself to the ground once again. Get your left leg forward. Drop your back knee down. Place your both the hands on your knee. From here, you need to push your knee forward and get your hip closer to the ground. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. A good stretch which you can practice every single day, in fact. Now, from here, you're going to drop your hand down. Left hand completely on the ground. Create a space in the right side. Now, bend your knee. Just try to hold your ankle. Breathe in, breathe out, release. Come back to Parvatasana. Now from here, push your hip higher, higher and higher. Extend your shoulder. Now we're going to take a small walk to the palm from here. Lift your heels up. Walk. 1, baby steps. 2, baby steps. 3, unless and until you feel the need for your knee to bend, continue to keep your knee straight. When you feel that your knees need to be bent, you cannot really manage, it's okay, bend your knee. But try not to be very comfortable. Try to feel the stretch. Once you reach here, keep your hamstrings straight. Hands either on your ankle, on your knee. Look forward. Don't round your shoulder too much. Open up your chest. Look forward. If you're here, great. If you want to get slightly more deeper, you can also drop your hands down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now slowly bend your knee. Try to sit here. See if you can. So if you can't do it, you can skip this part. If you can, just like be here and just give a tight hug to your knee. Close your eyes for a second. Just feel, what do you see right now? What kind of a sensation do you feel in your hamstring, in your ankle, in your hip joint? See if you find any difference. And then slowly drop your hands down and you can come down to Vajrasana. For you to feel the maximum effect, do this practice at least 2 times. And I hope you will feel better by then. In case if you have any doubt, please drop me a message. Would love to see your comments. And if you like the video, if you enjoy the practice, then please do hit the like button. Thank you so much.